In baseball, success is a home run. In collective bargaining, success is a trade union contract. The wages, the grievance procedure, medical and dental benefits, life insurance, safety equipment, all the conditions that go with a good job. The International Association of Machinists and Aerospace Workers has succeeded in improving the jobs of more than 1 million members. We're cheering the success of the Machinists Union. You know, more than 1 million men and women now working in American industry have won a voice and a vote in deciding their own wages and working conditions. They've done it through their membership in the International Association of Machinists and Aerospace Workers. They're an important part of the AFL-CIO. If you're a newspaper reporter, you belong to the American Newspaper Guild. Your membership gives you a voice and a vote in the conditions of your calling. More than 1 million men and women in American industry have won a voice and a vote in their wages and working conditions through their membership in the International Association of Machinists and Aerospace Workers, AFL-CIO. A jumbo jet takes off on 180,000 pounds of thrust. That's power. And where power is needed, you'll find machinists and aerospace workers. They've got the skills that produce power, and the power through their trade union to win a fair return for their skills. When you need power on any job, look to the International Association of Machinists and Aerospace Workers, AFL-CIO.